YouTube, I'm sorry, and please, please, please don't think I'm a horrible person, but that new Chipmunk movie called Boys on the Hood, I'm sorry, and maybe it's just my 32-year-old dirty stinking mind, but Boys on, and I get they didn't want to call it Boys in the Hood because that's a TV show, a movie that they're sort of trying to pull the essence of in their titling and do it in a witty, funny way. But Boys on the Hood sounds like the title of a gay porn. I'm sorry, I'm just keeping it 100. That's exactly what it sounds like. It sounds like the title of a gay porn. I mean, Boys on the Hood? What kind of children's show is that? What in the world are they talking about? I mean, okay, so I get it. Young little kids would probably not even be, the people who the movie is aimed at would probably not even begin to think of it as a porn reference. But that's just what it sounds like. I'm sorry. I'm just keeping it 100, y'all. What do y'all think? Am I crazy? Am I just dirty and filthy? Because that's just what it sounds like. I'm not the only one, am I? Am I? Am I? Anyway, talk to y'all later. Peace. Be blessed.